Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Home automations using Routines export options. To back up your Google Home automations using Routines export options, begin by opening the Google Home app on your mobile device. Ensure you are signed in to the account linked to your Google Home devices. Navigate to the Routines section found on the main screen. Tap on the desired routine that you want to export. Once the routine opens, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Tap on this menu icon to reveal additional options. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the export action. Confirm the action to initiate the export process. The routine will be saved as a file on your device. Take note of the location where the file is saved for easy retrieval later. To back up multiple routines, repeat the process for each one individually. For optimal organization, consider creating a dedicated folder for all exported routines. Once all routines are exported, ensure you have a secondary backup location. You can use cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox for additional safety. Upload the exported files to your chosen cloud storage. Regularly check and update your backups to include any new automations. This will ensure you always have the latest versions of your routines saved securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.